And finally, I'll move it down and click like so. As you can see, all of your text is now aligned perfectly. Autocad tip number 1. Let's align this text over here using the following trick. Open your properties palette by typing the PR and pressing enter. And here I'm gonna select one of these texts, the one that I need to align the other text with, and go to my property palette and find the position X in this case, and copy that with Ctrl C. Now go to your other text and select it, and again go to the position X and paste your text with Ctrl V. Once you press enter, you can see that your text is now aligned perfectly and nicely. Number 2, let's go ahead and align all of this text again using a different technique. So let's type align text and press enter. Let's now select all of this text and press enter again. I'll pick the first point which I want to align all of my text with, so I'm gonna select here, and finally I'll move it down and click like so. As you can see, all of your text is now aligned perfectly. Great. Autocad tip number 3. Oh no, we forgot to align this text also with our other text. So let me show you another technique that I use to always have my text aligned perfectly. For this, I'm gonna open the options by typing OP and pressing enter. I'm gonna go here to crosshair, and I'm gonna put it all the way up like so. Once I click apply and hit OK, you can see that your crosshair is now big, so you can align your text easily like so. Autocad align text tip number 4. So let's say I need to align this text on this line. So the technique that you can use to achieve this quickly, I'm gonna use the align command. I'll press enter and select my text. I'll press enter again and click here to align it with this other point. Click. I'll click again over here, click, and finally over here like so. Once I do that, simply press enter and say yes to align those points. As you can see, not only you can align your text, but also scale it to the specific line. Great. Autocad align text tip number 5. Let me share with you another technique, and in this case I wanted to align all of this text with the same angle as this line over here. So for this, I'm gonna use the T-orient command and press enter. I'll select all of my text like so and press enter again. I'll then select this point and this other point. All of your text was aligned with the same angle as this selected line. Great. I'm your friend Irving from the Lazy Arquitecto. Are you aligning your text efficiently?